So guys, sa ating video for today is about drone surveillance for airsoft. As you can see, both teams are moving and they are approaching the battle zone. Ang drone footage po na ito ay for entertainment purposes lamang po. Ito po ay walang mga casualties or kahit ano pa man. Just pure fun and enjoying their adrenaline. Pure sports lang po. So on this clip, nakikita natin yung dalawang red team na players and then yung tatlong blue team. Most of the players na naglaro nung araw na ito ay puro newbies. So they are adapting or testing their abilities how to cover fire. Ayan na, may nagpo-push na. May isang red team. May dumating pa na dalawa. So 3v3 na ang firefight na ito. 3 blue, 3 red. One guy is pushing from blue team. He's engaging and he got knocked out. And then another red team joins in. So bale 2v4 na ang match. Hindi man gaanong kita yung nasa screen pero mukhang nagbakbakan yung isang red team tsaka blue team pero pareho silang na out. Dito na talaga yung magandang part ng video eh. Kumbaga highlights. Ayan, 1v1 sila. Ayan na. Oh, patay tayo dyan. Naku, nahuli ka balong. Out ka na. Last man standing si kuya na blue team. Bale may tatlo pang red team, mag-isa niya lang and then tamaan siya, out na. Sila na lang natira, red team na nanalo. So guys, if you like my content in this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.